Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a shopping mall. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a married couple and the store staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is wrong with Ben's new shoes? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, the mall is so big today. Look at all these people.
It is Saturday, Ben. Everyone is shopping.
Okay, so where do we go first? The shoe store or the clothing store?
The clothing store. I need a dress for the office party next week.
But I need new shoes. My old ones have a hole. See?
Ben, that hole is so small, I can hardly see it.
It is there, trust me. My foot can feel it.
Fine, but clothes first. I cannot pick a dress if you talk about shoes.
And I cannot pick shoes when I do not know what color your dress is.
What? Why does my dress color matter for your shoes?
Because we will look like a team. Same colors, same style.
Ben, we are buying clothes, not making a movie.
Okay, so what do we do?
Let us play rock, paper, scissors. Winner picks first.
Deal. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Paper. You did rock again. You always do rock.
I know. It feels strong.
Well, my paper is stronger, so clothes first.
Wait. Best of 3.
No, 1 round. That was the deal.
Fine. But the shoe store is right there. So close.
It will still be there in 1 hour. Come on.
1 hour? Lily, that is a long time for a dress.
A dress is important. I need to look good for my coworkers.
You always look good.
Nice try. We are still going to the clothing store first.
Okay, but after we go to the shoe store. Promise?
I promise. Now stop looking at the shoe store.
I am not looking at it.
Your head is turning right now.
Sorry, let's go.
Wait, actually, you know what? Let's do shoes first.
Really? You changed your mind?
Yes, if your shoes hurt, you will complain the whole time in the dress store.
That is true. I will complain a lot.
I know you will, so shoes first, then clothes.
Yes, best wife in the world.
Just walk, Ben.
Excuse me, do you have these black sneakers in size 10?
Let me check for you, sir. 1 moment.
Thank you. I really like the simple design.
Yes, they are very popular this month. Many people buy them.
Good. I do not want shoes that everyone hates.
Here is size 10. Please try them on.
Okay. Wait, these feel really loose, like very loose.
Loose? That is strange. Let me see.
Look, my foot is moving inside. I can shake it.
Oh, that is not right. Size 10 should fit you well.
Maybe the box has a different size inside.
Let me check the other shoe. Oh no, this one is size 9.
So one shoe is size 10 and one is size 9?
It seems so. I am very sorry, sir.
How did that happen?
I think a customer returned this box yesterday. They mixed 2 sizes inside.
Wow, that is a problem.
Yes, we should check returns better. I am really sorry.
It is okay. Things happen. Do you have another box?
Yes, of course. Let me get a new one right now.
Thank you. I will wait here.
Here you are, a fresh box, size 10. Both shoes inside, I promise.
Great. Should I try them on?
Yes, please, just to make sure.
Actually, my wife is waiting. Can I just trust the box this time?
Well, I always say try them on first.
I know, but she will be angry if I am slow.
I understand. People do not like to wait.
Exactly. Okay, I will take this box. Same shoes, same size.
Are you sure, sir? It takes only 1 minute to check.
I am sure. They look fine. The box says size 10.
Okay, please come to the register. That will be $60.
60. Not bad. Here is my card.
Thank you. Here's your bag and your receipt.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Have a great day, sir. And again, I am very sorry about the first box.
No problem. See you next time.
Lily, look at this shirt. Tigers all over it. Cool, right?
Ben, no. Just no.
What? It is fun. People will look at me.
People will run from you. Put it back.
Okay, fine. How about this one? Big pink flowers.
Are you serious? That is a curtain, not a shirt.
A curtain? It is fashion, Lily.
It is a curtain. I had the same flowers in my old apartment.
Okay, last one. Look at this. Neon green and yellow.
My eyes hurt just looking at it.
Come on, try it for the office party.
Ben, I am going to an office party, not a costume party.
But you said the party will be fun.
Fun does not mean tiger shirts and neon colors.
Then what does it mean?
It means a nice dress. Simple. Maybe blue or black.
Blue or black? So boring.
It is not boring. It is good for work.
Okay, what about for the weekend? Not for the party, just for fun.
For the weekend? Maybe, but not tigers.
Flowers?
No.
Neon?
Definitely no.
You are very hard to please.
I know what looks good. Trust me.
Okay, then what about this gray shirt? It's simple, just one color.
Now you are learning. Gray is good. Let me see the size.
It's a large, should fit me.
Yes, that one is okay. You can buy it later if you want.
Really? You like it?
I do not hate it. That is good for you.
I will take that as a yes.
Take it as you want, but first, my dress.
Okay, you pick something for me later, but first, your dress.
Yes, my dress. I saw a nice one over there. Simple, light blue.
Light blue? Sounds nice. Boring, but nice.
Stop saying boring. It is called classy.
Classy. New word for me. Okay, go try it on.
I will. Wait here, and please do not touch any more tiger shirts.
I make no promises.
Ben?
Okay, I will sit here and be good.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Take your time. I will look at the magazines.
Good idea. Stay away from the shirts. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Of course, ma'am. How can I help you?
I am trying this dress, light blue. Do you think it looks okay?
Let me see. Please turn around slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Yes, very nice. Very, very nice.
Thank you. I have an office party next week.
Oh, an office party. This dress is good for that.
Really? You think so?
Oh, yes, very good. And also, it is good for many other events.
Like what?
A wedding, for example, or a nice dinner.
That is good to know. I want to wear it many times.
Yes, you can. It is very useful. Also, it is great for your mother.
My mother?
Yes, for her 60th birthday party. Very classy.
My mother's 60th?
Yes, this style is perfect for that kind of family event.
Okay, good to know.
Is your mother having a big party soon?
No, she is 55.
Oh, very nice. So in 5 years, you can wear this again.
Yes, I can.
I am sorry. Did I say something wrong?
No, you are very kind. I just thought I look young in this.
Oh, you do. You look young, and also you look very mature.
Mature?
Yes, it's a good thing. Mature is good.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I think I will buy it.
A wonderful choice, ma'am. The register is over there.
Thank you. You have been very, very helpful.
My pleasure. Please come again.
Oh, I will. See you in 5 years.
5 years?
For my mother's party. You said it is perfect.
Ah, yes, of course. I will remember.
Hi, my wife wants to buy this dress, please.
Of course, sir. Let me scan it for you.
It is the light blue one. She is changing back now.
Okay. The total is $55.
Wait, what? The tag says $40.
Let me check, sir. One moment.
Look, right here. $40. Big number.
Yes, I see. But that was the sale price.
It is not on sale anymore?
I am sorry, sir. The sale ended yesterday.
Yesterday? Are you serious?
Yes, the sale was Monday to Friday. Today is Saturday.
1 day late. 1 day. Can you still give me the sale price?
I am sorry, sir. I really cannot. It's the store rule.
Wait, I think I have a coupon. Let me check my wallet.
Take your time, sir.
Here, $10 off. Does this work?
Let me see. Oh, sir, this coupon expired last month.
What? Last month? No way.
Yes, look, the date is right here, June 15th.
Today is July 1st. I'm 2 weeks too late.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, today is just not my day.
It happens to many customers, sir.
Fine. Full price, $55. Here's my card.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, when is your next sale?
The next sale will be the 3rd Saturday of next month.
The 3rd Saturday. Let me write that down.
Yes, please remember it. The deals will be very good.
I will put it in my phone right now.
That is a smart idea, sir.
Okay. Done. 3rd Saturday. I will be the first one here.
We will be ready for you, sir.
Thank you. Here is your pen back.
Thank you. Here's your bag and your receipt.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. Enjoy the dress.
Finally, my feet hurt. Let us sit here for a minute.
Good idea. Look at all our bags.
We spent so much money today.
But it was fun. Mostly fun.
How was the man at the dress store? Was he nice?
He was nice. A little strange, but nice.
Yes, he thought I was old enough for my mother's 60th party.
What? He said that?
Yes, very kindly, but still.
Wow. Well, you don't look old to me.
Good answer.
Hey, want to see my new shoes? They are amazing.
Sure, show me.
Okay, watch this. Brand new black sneakers. Cool, right?
Wait, Ben, look at them.
I am looking. They are perfect.
Ben, one is size 9, one is size 10.
But the box said size 10. The lady said it was a new box.
Did you check them in the store?
Well, no, I trusted the box.
Ben, the first box had wrong sizes too, right?
Yes, but she gave me a different box, a fresh one.
And you did not look inside?
I was in a hurry. You were waiting.
Ben, I can't believe this.
This is not funny, Lily.
It is very funny. The same store, the same problem, 2 times.
$60 for 2 different shoes.
One foot will be loose forever.
Or too tight.
Maybe you can sell one to a friend.
Lily, this is serious.
I know, sorry.
We have to go back tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why not now?
My feet are tired, your feet are tired. The mall is too crowded.
True. Okay, tomorrow.
And tomorrow, I will open the box in the store.
Yes, please do that.
What a crazy day.
Welcome to shopping, Ben.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is wrong with Ben's new shoes? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.